So I am having a problem with this door on the driver's side. This is not closing tight. And the culprit's down here. I tried spraying it with WD-40 and PB Blaster and all that good stuff, but it still isn't working properly. So I'm going to pull this cover off of here and see if I can figure out how to fix it. All right, so now that I got those screws off there, I'm just gonna try to pop this off here. I just used a flathead screwdriver to pry this off. And now it should pop out. Darn plastic crap always breaks, never fails. Alright, so I took these 3 screws out. 1, 2, 3. Now, this out of here. Took 2 hands to get this disconnected. And that would be the sensor that's screaming at me every time I start my truck, saying that the door is still open. As you can see, this is pretty crusty, pretty gnarly. So as you can tell, they look very similar. The only difference I see is the sensor. So I just popped the cable off there, and I'm just gonna see if this works, because I'm tired of my door not closing right. All right, so this here pushes in there real easy. I was able to get that sensor out of there. Now it looks pretty gnarly, so I'm gonna try cleaning this up. And I believe it will go right in there. So I'm gonna try cleaning it up, see if it works. I'm just going to use the little sander on the Dremel to try to clean up that metal tip right there. Alright, so I got that pushed in there. Hopefully it's tight enough. Doesn't seem overly tight, but it just needs to be tight enough, that's all. It works. Sweet. Now I just gotta put all this crap back together and fix the problem. I thought it'd be a whole lot easier just to replace this end than trying to replace all the cables and everything, since everything else seemed to be working fine. All right, so we're going to see if this actually fixed the problem. Sweet. Well, thankfully that seems to have fixed the problem. I'm stoked about that because I was a little worried. I thought maybe that sensor would still be completely bad, but after cleaning it up and putting that new latch on there, everything seems to be working fine. Super simple, you know. It's intimidating to think. It can be intimidating to think about doing projects like this, but I find that most times when you just jump in with both feet, get it done, it's usually not as challenging as what you think it's going to be. And I mean, God only knows how much a shop would charge to do that, but it's just to be able to fix something yourself and be able to walk away when it's done and it work. It's a good feeling. It's a great feeling. So I definitely encourage you to just try it, give it a shot. It's really not too difficult. As long as you put everything back the way you found it, you know, the way you took it apart, it's gonna work. So, well, if you got some help from this video, I would definitely appreciate it if you punch that like button square in the nose and subscribe. Thanks for watching.